Okay, so does anybody know why we have day and night? Do you know why? Why?
Because if you do not have focus sleep.
Yes, because we got to go to sleep. Anything else?
Well, I know.
Why do you think so?
I know why.
Why?
The sun rotates so it goes on the other side of the head.
That's okay. The sun.
That's why we have half moons and full moons.
Half moons. That's great. That's really smart. Okay, let's think. Now, what about when, okay, let's find us on the globe here. We're right here, and say it's daytime. What about over here in China? Is it daytime for them?
It's night.
It's nighttime. How
Just
do you
like
know?
if it's sunny over here,
Because
it's rainy over here.
If it's sunny over here, it's raining over there, okay? Well, what about, okay, say, so it's our daytime, and you say that it's their nighttime in China.
Okay, start time.
How do you know that?
Because we have different times and like. Oh, I know.
Okay, Joanne.
Reverse psychology.
Reverse psychology.
Yes.
Okay.
Because when we all the way over here and they're on the other side of the earth. I have a question for you. Like,
Yeah, and they're on the other side, so that means...
the sun is over here and like the moon's over here, and they
And the
switch.
moon's over here, and they switch. So do they...
rotate.
They rotate, okay,
Yeah.
that's good.
What is
Zoe,
that?
do you know anything about it? What do you
Oh
think?
yeah.
Hold on, Joanne, let Zoe talk. What do you think? Joanne, let her speak. What do you think? Can you show us anything about it? Where does, like, when we're having our daytime, where does the moon go?
Oh no. The moon. Go to another
The moon
place.
goes over the other side of the world.
The other side of the world. Okay. And what about for them? Does anywhere ever have 24 hours of nighttime or 24 hours of daytime? Anywhere on the earth?
Yeah.
Where?
Antarctica.
Antarctica, okay.
Down here.
How about, can you guys draw me a picture of what you think it's like? Okay, draw the earth, and I want you to draw where the moon is when it's our nighttime.
The moon is our night.
And the left side can be where North America is. You can just show me where the moon is.
So you have to draw like all the states.
No, you don't have to draw the states, just
Make it like
basic concept of it.
This
What do you think, Zoe?
Zoe.
Okay, and while you guys are doing that, who can tell me some important
So I have
things?
to write Maryland and then write what it is.
Draw a circle of the earth, show the earth, and then say the left side of the earth is the United States. That's where we are. Just draw, just pretend, okay? And then the left side can be the opposite, which is China. Now, if it's our daytime, show where the sun is. Where would the sun be if it's our daytime?
Right here.
Okay, and what about the moon?
The moon would be right here.
So if we were on the
So
well, we'll say we're on the left.
Like
It's
this.
daytime in the United States. Where's the sun? Very good, Juan. That looks great. So, can you show us?
He worked on Mr. Sun all every day.
Sure, what?
Hold on, let me see it.
It's the truth.
Point and show me what it is. Just point it out and explain it.
The world?
Yep. Where's the sun?
Oh, this is the sun. This is the moon. The moon is rotating to another place and then to another one until we get nighttime. No, when we get,
Okay.
I don't know how you say that.
So I have a question. Here's the Earth right here. Okay, everybody look up here. Here's the Earth, the globe. Here's the sun.
Here's the moon.
And does the Earth go around the sun, or does the sun go around the Earth?
Around the earth.
It goes around the Earth. And what about the moon? Does the moon go around the Earth, or does it go around?
The moon goes around.
It's like this. So
What do you think, Zoe? The Earth goes around the moon.
Orbit.
Okay.
hey, I know.
The orbit.
Like
Okay, that's a
this,
good vocabulary
Like,
word.
it's the sun here and the moon. Like, let's say this right here is the like say it's like the moon.
Uh huh.
I don't know. Yeah, right here. This is the moon, and this is the sun. The thing will do.
Yep, the Earth. Okay, the Earth
Really
spins.
slow. It's take 25 hours to get, like, it's take 25
How many?
hours.
25 hours.
Yeah, for
Does anybody else have any other ideas? How long does it take for the Earth to spin on its axis?
25, no,
24.
24, yeah.
24 hours, okay.
I say 25.
But since the like when the spring and the summer comes, the thing goes an hour later, just like it did yesterday.
Yeah, okay, that's
Yeah.
good. What's that called? Do you guys know what that's called?
Nope.
What is it called when we, spring forward with the time and we fall back with the time? Does anybody know it's called something? Some kind of savings time?
Because the sun, the sun is going this way, and then the sun, the earth turns the other way.
The Earth turns the other way.
Yeah.
Okay, how about you guys look at some of these books and see if you can pick out any information that'll explain to us. You guys can look at it together, one.
Okay,
You guys can share it together.
okay.
This one.
Let's go to the sun. Where the sun is. This one. Right here.
Well, the sun is a volcano.
The sun is what?
Oh,
Big
It's
star,
not a
you mean?
volcano.
It's a big star.
We're wasting time.
It's a big star. Okay, so the sun's a star. What about the moon?
The moon is a big old asphalt rock.
A big old, an asteroid. The moon's an asteroid. Okay.
Why did
Well-
they call it the moon if it's an asteroid? Why did they?
So if the sun is a star, is it the biggest star ever?
Yes.
Or, okay.
I
do
got
you
a
know?
question.
Okay.
Why did they call the moon? Why is the moon an asteroid, but they call it a moon?
Well, I think it's our moon. If you think about it, does all the other planets, do they have moons?
No.
Yes.
Okay.
26, 32, something like that.
So are moons more like planets, or what do you guys think? More like a star, more like a planet? What do you think?
Planet.
A
Moon
planet.
should be a planet.
It
Okay.
says right here that under the moon it says Earth.
Under the moon it says Earth. I think that means it's Earth's moon. So do you think do you think the moon is just a planet in itself? And maybe it's just named the moon?
Yes.
What do you think, Zoe? Do you think that the moon is a planet, or do you think that it's just a star or an asteroid like everybody else? Or it could be the moon. Do you think that maybe the planet's name is just, we named it moon? Or what do you think?
Could you be quiet?
Go ahead.
I think like with the like with the moon and moving, there's like a shadow.
A shadow, okay.
Like it moves.
How does that shadow get there? Do you guys know when the moon is like, okay, we have a half moon, a full moon, a crescent moon. How does that shadow get there? Do you know, Zoe?
Because
No? Okay.
I think because the moon is moving.
Because the moon is moving, okay. And
They're missing Uranus in this book.
they are. I might not have. It's mainly, I think, about the sun.
Can I say something?
Yes.
Like, look, I will use this for You see this right here?
Mm-hmm.
Right here's part of the nighttime. Like, piece over here. All this piece right here. Like, all this piece right here.
Have that.
It's night. It's how you call it?
Night.
Like night.
Okay.
Not night. This side is nighttime. This side is
Daytime?
Daytime.
Daytime, okay.
And then the thing going this, like, go this way.
Okay.
This way,
Can I see that,
this
Juan?
way, and
Can I see the
this
flashlight?
way. Yeah.
Okay. Jawan, I want you to show me what you know about the sun and then the earth. And I want you to show me if you can, like, demonstrate a...
Can I demonstrate too?
I'll ask Jawan, and then maybe you can do it after him. Can you show me, like, a model of the sun and the earth and how, like, it, shows us if it's day or night? Or
Okay.
you want to do that for us? That'd be great. Okay. I'll just use the flashlight. You can turn it on and pretend it's the sun.
Can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you can turn the flashlight on.
I know.
Okay.
So it goes like this.
So does that mean that's daytime?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then it slowly goes to the other side.
And by the time it gets over to the other side of the world, say China,
It goes
how long
to-
has that been?
It passes 24 hours.
24 hours, okay. So for the Earth to spin on its axis, it takes 24 hours. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay. What about for the Earth to rotate around the sun?
It takes
Does the Earth rotate around the sun?
no.
No. Okay, what happens then?
The sun stays where it's placed, and then the earth rotates around.
And
Okay.
And like do you see this right here?
Uh-huh.
The Earth moved to the another side of the world. It moved like to another side.
Okay.
Like,
So you have to keep going this
yeah,
way, sir.
it's like but when you change the hour, like the thing is going this way.
So
Like last night.
how do we have a year? Who knows how many days in a year there are, first of all?
130, no, 1,000, no, 300 and something. 65.
365. Okay, Zoe, that's good. Now,
600.
how do we have that many days? How do we know? What has to happen for us to have 365 days? I know that the Earth has to spin on its axis one time to be 24 hours. Is that that's what you guys told me? So, what do we have to do for it to be 365 days?
You need to count 7 times 25. 7 times 75.
7 times 75.
Yeah.
That's
no,
Okay.
Like 7 times 24. Yeah, 24, and it's going to equal 150.
Okay. So,
Ow, my hand.
what do you think, Zoe? Do you know how we know that there's a whole year by 365 days? How do we know? What does the Earth have to do to equal one whole year?
I know.
Do you know? It's okay if you don't. That's fine.
Oh,
I'm seeing what you guys know. I want to learn too, so I can actually teach you guys.
Can I do it now? Can I'll try.
What are you gonna do?
Why'd she pick us?
Yeah.
I want to know what you guys know about this.
No, but can we listen? My time so recess time. I mean, we always go rest the time or recess because
do you know
you're the
anything
person
about
who
it?
rests in the time.
Do you know?
Not you.
Anything about how come we have a whole year? How come there's 365 days?
In a year.
Do we go around the sun, or does the moon go around us? or-
We go around the moon, and the sun
Okay.
does not go around us. It
It
stays
stays
in
in
one
place.
place
The sun
while
stays
we
in place.
orbit.
While we, okay, keep going. I like what you're telling me. What happens now? The sun stays in place while what?
While we orbit around the moon, and the sun just keeps shining on us while we keep moving.
Okay,
Just like that.
so we don't move around the sun, or do we?
No, we
We
do
don't.
not move around the sun.
Okay, so we just rotate.
Yeah, we just
Okay.
rotate around the moon.
Okay, well that sounds
Until
good.
it go to the moon. Oh look, until it go to the go like this. Until
Okay.
it go to the moon.
All right, well I think that you guys have given me enough information for me to get ready
So
to
we have
start my
to go back
lesson.
in there?
So we're gonna go back inside. Thank you.